Welcome to Research Rock. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Makita batteries. I'm purchasing two batteries and one charger as well. So first of all, I will show you where I'm purchasing. This is the platform Dasbatteries.com. I already added this link in video description, so you can just simply click and come to this here. And this platform are selling very affordable prices for the specific batteries. If you visit in local hardware store, Bosch batteries is more expensive from the local hardware store. But if you visit here, really affordable prices here, the tools. Look at this here, 18 volt the batteries. If you purchase here around 6 batteries price, 3 batteries price, 2 batteries price, it's very affordable prices they are selling. I'm purchasing the battery from Makita brand, and exactly I ordered this one. 2 batteries plus 1 charger, price is 87.99 euro. I already added this link in video description. Now we will do unboxing and which types of charger and which types of battery I'm receiving, and afterwards I'm using this batteries specially for my leaf blower. Let's see how exactly working. Let's close to the camera. So first I just simply open here battery 1. Inside the box we receive the battery Lithuanium-ion 18 volt battery. Its battery, it's really impressive. Look like Makita brand. Inside the battery we receive here some magic booklet as well, how to use. They provide all the instruction in this magic booklet, so you should go through this one. Here is the battery. Now we can see the charger. We receive here replace DC18RD. This is the charger. It's huge. I just simply fix here the battery. Look like this. Now I just simply on the power of this charger. I attach in the power and just simply connect here. So look at this, the charging is the start here. After complete the charge, the red light convert as a green light, and afterwards is the charging is done. Almost we are spending half an hour to complete this charging. So look at this, after spending half an hour, battery change the light like a red to green. It means the 100% battery is completed. Afterwards I can just simply remove this one and use my device to workable. It's very easy and it's really impressive brand. So this is the unboxing of Makita battery and adapter. Where you purchase this one, I already added the link in video description. The brand name is a Makita, and some other brand battery and adapter also selling the platform. Now we can do the practical. I have this blower. I just simply connect the one of the battery and let's see. So I just simply connect the battery and turn it on. And it's working. It's very simple way to purchase, charging and use. Most important parts here, make sure which battery is suitable of your product. So accordingly you should visit this website and purchase this battery. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.